Hi, Captain Steve for BoatTEST.com. And you know, we've done a number of videos on life-saving equipment, electronics, but what if something goes wrong with your boat and you don't want to give it up without a fight? Well, that's where the SeaKits Damage Control Kit comes into play. Let me show you what I mean. First things first, the disclaimer, and we shouldn't have to say it, but it's for damage control and temporary, just to get you back home. First of all, I like how organized everything is. Underneath the lid, all your essential tools, especially an axe that doubles as a hammer. And these tools are all from Fiskars, so they have a lifetime warranty. Now, the main focus of this kit is to minimize flooding. Patches, plugs, wedges, fasteners. Let's take a look inside. Talk about neatly organized. All right, let's break this down into groups. You lose a hose off of your through hull. You've got the rubber plugs and wooden plugs that you're going to jam in with the hatchet and the hammer. The hose pops off of the through hull fittings. You probably have the hose clamps in your toolbox, but do you have the driver to put it on with? How about water flowing in through a busted pipe in irregular hull breach? That's all these pieces right across here, including the wedges that can be cut into shape with the axe and then hammered into place. And let me tell you something, this water-activated epoxy wrap, once you get it on, the only way you're going to get it off is by chopping it off. 100 feet of paracord and wire ties, because you just need to lash stuff into position sometimes. And last but not least, at the bottom, neoprene and gasket material, just because it's convenient to have. This rescue tape is also 8,000 volt rated. If you're offshore and help is a long way away, you need to put up a fight. If your pumps are being overwhelmed, you've only got two choices: increase the pumping capability or decrease the amount of water coming into your boat. That is where the SeaKits Damage Control Kit comes into play. What's important to know is that everything that's in this kit has directions right on it, so it's intuitive and easy to use. But most importantly, it's convenient. I'd rather say grab something out of the yellow box than get something out of my toolbox, which could be anywhere. And that's why I keep this kit on my boat, and that's my full review of the SeaKits Damage Control Kit. For BoatTEST.com, I'm Captain Steve. We'll see you on the water.